Hello guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at how we can group elements using Canva. So the way to go about this is, let's say that I want to make all these elements into a single unit that I can move around and they all will move around together. So what I can do here is I can click and hold on one of the objects that I want to make part of the group and make sure you select multiple. And now I can select all the elements of the group and I can select this option group. Now it's all one group. The button group became ungroup, so if I want to undo this action, I can do that very easily. And text boxes inside the group are still editable, so I can make changes as I need. And well, that's basically how to make groups in Canva. I hope it was useful. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.